The White House is clarifying comments that Chinese electronics would be exempt from tariffs, what a possible semiconductor tax could mean for those shopping for cell phones. A breakthrough for Thulium fiber lasers, the group pioneering a new method to double the power of these systems. And is it still virtual reality if you can feel it? How a research team in Spain created a 3D graphic system that you can manipulate with your hands. These stories and more on Photonic Spectra Now. Photonic Spectra Now is brought to you by Chroma Technology, high-performance optical filters for scientific, industrial, and aerospace industries. Visit chroma.com to learn more. And by LightPath Technologies, better glass, better optics, better imaging. Go to lightpath.com for more details. Hi, and welcome to Photonic Spectra Now, covering your top headlines in the world of photonics. I'm Joe Kaczynski, a senior editor with Photonic Spectra. Shattering world records, a new Thulium fiber laser system offers nearly double the performance of its predecessors. Researchers at the Fraunhofer Institute for Applied Optics and Precision Engineering, IOF, say this tech is made up of 3 high-power lasers and achieves an output power of up to 1.91 kilowatts, far more than conventional systems that produce just over 1. This advancement could find use in medical procedures, polymer processing, and even optical data transmission. Researchers aren't stopping here, though. They say they plan to take their work further, pushing to reach the next level of performance with reliable individual sources. We continue now to follow the latest developments in the US-China trade war. President Donald Trump is now threatening new tariffs on electronics like smartphones, days after supposedly making them exempt. Clarifying comments from federal agencies over the weekend, the White House says that electronics like computers and smartphones are not actually exempt. They're simply being moved into a different category for levies, a semiconductor tariff. Beijing is calling on the US to fully put an end to new tariffs, now up to 145%, and return to what they call the right path of mutual respect. Headwall Photonics is partnering with GRYFN to streamline hyperspectral data collection and processing. Through GRYFN's advanced software and calibration techs, officials with Headwall say they can offer clients in agriculture, environmental monitoring, and defense solutions with enhanced accessibility and precision. As part of the deal, Headwall will offer the GRYFN Processing Tool, a software solution integrating UAV-based hyperspectral, LiDAR, and GNSS data. Optical switch startup nEye Systems has just pulled in $58 million in Series B funding. Big players like Alphabet, Microsoft, and NVIDIA were part of this recent round, bringing the company's total funding to $72.5 million. nEye says its high-radix silicon photonic switch is 100 times smaller, uses 1,000 times less power, and offers 10,000 times greater speeds at a lower cost than existing optical switches. Sparrow Quantum, a European supplier of photonic quantum chips, has secured nearly $25 million in Series A funding. Officials say that money will go towards accelerating the development and sale of its quantum chip technology. Their flagship product, Sparrow Core, is an on-chip single-photon emitter for scaling photonic quantum computing. And adding a new field of holograms could have you believing that the whole world is within your grasp. Researchers from Spain have found a way to produce 3D graphics in mid-air that can be manipulated by a user's hands. No need for AR or VR goggles. This new system replaces rigid diffusers, the fast oscillating sheet used to create the 3D vision, with an elastic alternative for added flexibility. With this, multiple users can interact collaboratively with a virtual image without the need for any additional gear. Have news you'd like to share or suggestions for our team? You can send any story tips, questions, or comments to video@photonics.com. Give us a like and click that subscribe button in the corner for all the latest videos from Photonics Media, and be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. Remember, you can always find more details on these stories and everything else happening in the industry by going to photonics.com. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.